I don't know, but I believe that some things are meant to be, and that you'll make a better me. Every day I love you.
I never thought that dreams came true, but you've shown me that.
One thing in my life that's missing, it's the time that I spend alone, sailing on the cool and bright clear water. There's lots of those friendly people, they're showing me ways to go, but I never want to lose their inspiration. Time for cool change. I know that it's time for a cool change. And now that my life is so prearranged, I know that it's time for a cool change. I was born in the side of war, and it's there that I feel my best. The albatross and the whales, they are my brothers. It's kind of a special feeling when you're out on the sea alone, staring at the full moon like a lover.
Hi Angel! Happy birthday! Sorry di ako makapunta dyan kasi duty ako, pero I hope you have a blast today. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday ulit!
Jill, happy birthday! Sana maligaya ka sa araw na to at sa susunod pang mga araw at sa lahat ng araw, sana maligaya ka. Sana magkaroon ka na ng anak para at least mapulfil na yung pagka Mrs. Macho. So, stay healthy and beautiful. Happy birthday.
Hi Jess, happy birthday. Sana sa sunod na birthday hindi ka na Jezebel ha, naging Bintibel ka na, maging Bintibel ka na. Dandahan sa pag diet din pag may time. Sana yung wish mo matupad na magkaroon na kayo ng pang ni Matthew. Baby. Sana maging hindi lang isa, maging 3. So happy birthday Jess. Good health always. God bless you. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Angel! Stay pretty!
Saka na yung long greeting namin pag 30th ka na. Huwag
Oo.
kang nagsasera dyan.
Yung pang maalaala mo kaya.
Okay.
Happy
Bye.
birthday!
Birthday!
Happy, happy, happy.